Summer camp. This summer, I went to a fun camp with my friends. We stayed in cabins and did many exciting activities. Every morning we had breakfast together in the big dining hall. At camp, we went swimming in the lake. The water was cool and refreshing. We also played games like soccer and basketball. My favorite part was hiking in the woods. We saw many trees and even a deer. In the evening, we sat around a campfire. We sang songs, told stories, and roasted marshmallows.